Lil, make sure you get the whole shot and then check out since you're probably gonna get tired, all right?
Do you remember? Do you remember?
Whoa. Look at this, guys. The only thing that's open right now, a donut shop, gas station, and a coffee shop. 6:51 in the morning. Washougal practice starts at 8. Hopefully we're gonna be on time.
So this is probably going to be the best sounding race video we've ever done. We're doing a 2-stroke only race. They don't allow 4 strokes, only 2 strokes. It's called the 125 Dream Race. I was gonna title this video, We Love the Dream Race, but I didn't want people to like comment and be like, oh, here goes a white family thinking they're the best. Believe it or not, guys, this is our first time ever, the kids' first time racing at Washougal. We lived like 20 minutes, 30 minutes away for a long time, but we actually never raced here. The kids haven't even practiced here in a year. So we came out yesterday and we did a little practice. They only had 2 sessions, but they got a little bit of track time. It went pretty good. I think the kids felt comfortable. Mason did wreck in the sand section and he said, why is this here? Why is there a sand section on this track?
Flashback.
Mason went down in the sand and either a cat scratched him or a foot peg. Was that a foot peg? Probably a foot peg, yeah.
End of flashback.
Other than that, it went smooth. So how this is gonna work is basically it's open classes. Lillian's doing women's class, Luke's doing Super Mini 85, and then Mason's doing 65. And there's no beginner, novice, junior, intermediate classes. It's just all one, all open. So not expecting any wins today. Just probably the kids will probably be mid-pack, but it'll just be fun for them to finally get to race on this track.
You're scared? Why?
I'm racing really fast though.
Just go really fast. Guys, 65 class, there are only 11 riders. 85, Super Mini 85, 19, but for Lillian women's class, 30 riders for Lil. I like that much better. I like it when there's a full gate. It's more interesting. I think you're more likely to find a battle with people your speed on the track. I hate it when the kids are just alone in a race and they're just doing laps. Like, to me, that's boring. I'd rather watch my kids play soccer than see them be alone in a race. You got this, Levi? Yeah? Yeah!
Novice Division 1, Race 4.
Coming out of the trees, looks like Mason is holding on to the lead of this little group right here.
As he is really checked out, stressing in each lap.
Looks like Mason's in
Over
fifth right
full
now.
loop section lead now over second spot. As second place comes.
We got a little bit of a battle. 1 lap to go, Mason. Come on.
Come on, get it.
Flip those whoops, bro.
Triple three.
Looks like he's gonna hang on to the lead for a little bit longer.
Matson Land Consulting, Elite MX 100%, Atlas Brace,
Looks like Sled and
FXR
Donovan
Moto
put the pass on
60,
Mason.
M9 suspension.
Mason's got about a half a lap to try to get it back.
Third was the 113, a Wyatt Raver.
Just what I thought. Yeah, Mason 6, Moto 1.
Alright, today's just practice. I'm gonna try to get a good position though.
Yeah.
Hopefully I can get top 10.
Top 20?
10.
Top 10, okay. That's a good goal. I'm gonna go up the hill and then film, okay?
Okay.
You start your bike on your own, right?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
Unless of course it doesn't start.
All right, guys, so we got Luke lining up over here, Moto 1 for the 85/Super Mini class. There's a couple kids in this class that just came back from Loretta Lynn's. Luke's goal is top 10. My goal is for him to not get lapped.
Hey, one more time. Woo! Well, I'd say he's about 10th. Unfortunately, he's kind of alone right now, not catching anyone in front of him. Got a little bit of a lead of the kid behind him. Last lap. 85. Luke comes away with an 8. Top 10, baby. Lillian, you know there's like $500 on the line if you win the women's class? $500. You know what you could buy for me with $500?
Why don't they do a girls class, because I don't have my super mini. I have a stock 85. Then you grow it on big bikes. It's not fair.
No, you'll do fine.
And they're from California.
Oh, you'll be fine. Lil, make sure you get the whole shot and then check out, since you're probably gonna get tired, all right? Oh, that feels nice. Missed. Firing them up right now. We got the women's class, 30 girls on the line, pretty much all big bikes. Probably would be a good time for us to have the Super Mini, but it's still in Utah. Lillian's on the 85. I think she'll do good. She's got decent speed. Her endurance is gonna be the problem. She's like out of shape. She says after like 2 laps, she just doesn't have it anymore. Look at these ruts, guys. Definitely not able to take the line through the water right now. People everywhere. Got the leader right over here.
As you'll be race 17, race 15 on the track.
Are you tired?
Washington,
A little bit.
Oregon, Idaho,
Good
Utah.
job, man. That was a good last lap pass.
I was trying to pass her the entire time.
So Crater
So
now
that she'd
back in
pass someone
spot
when
two.
she'd
Man,
pull
O'Neill's
away.
really starting to
And then I'd
set
pass
sail
the
for that
person and
crispy
get
clean
picked back
number
up to
one.
her.
Yeah.
Debrino
She's
starting
faster
to give
than me in the
Crater
looks
all
and
kinds of
over
pressure
here.
from behind.
Yeah.
But I would take more inside
106
lines
of
and I slowly
Popworth. He's out of
get closer
Mapleton,
and closer.
Utah.
And I
In
just took her
spot
all
number
the way
4
over
aboard
there.
that CR500.
Smart. Good job. Yeah, that was nice. That's a
The
tricky
101
section. There's so many ruts in that
Of Alexander.
that
out of
catcher's
Kennewick,
mitt.
Washington.
Women's class, we got Lillian coming over in 12 for the first moto. That's even better than I thought. What's up, man?
You know what? I am so sick of people asking for my autograph.
And pictures.
Yeah.
Yeah, they all want photos with you.
Well, I don't care that they want Ricky Rogue's autograph.
Uh-huh.
Then they go, "Thank you, Ryan." What a bunch of BS.
You're way better looking than Ryan.
I know.
Yeah, he doesn't look this good with a shirt off, but
Exactly.
yeah,
Great.
nice.
Great.